Okay, what's up people? In this video we're going to go over the Begleri move, the drop whirl. Drop whirl looks like this. It is a half whirl that involves dropping the bead behind one of the fingers by pinching it between two adjacent fingers. Once again, looks like this. This is the most similar, one of the most similar Begleri moves to the pen spinning move, the Sonic. Okay, so before we get too far into the tutorial, I would recommend that if you're learning the drop whirl for the first time, you're going to want to use beads that are a little bit bigger than what you're normally used to, because this motion of the fingers and holding the bead in such a way where it's being trapped behind these two fingers can cause a little bit of hand pain back here. So, and with a bigger bead, you don't need to close the fingers so tight. So as I was saying before, a slightly bigger set of beads will help out. These are mini Titans. So to get into the move here, the prerequisite you're going to want to know is a half whirl and a mid half whirl. So the first step of the move is to initiate your half whirl, and what's going to happen is when you pull the bead into a half whirl, the set into a half whirl, you're going to, when you pull back in, normally you would pass this back down to mid grip to complete your half whirl, but instead of doing that, you're going to pull it back in and tuck your middle finger. So that's actually going to happen as you're pulling in, is this motion. This is the key to the whole move right here. You pull, as you pull in, you tuck your middle finger, and the ring finger and index finger are going to trap the bead here. So your hand is in this position. And then when the set keeps moving this way, you extend the middle finger and you end up in fakie mid grip, like so. So once again, the move starts in mid grip. You go up into your half whirl, and then on the pull in is where this tucking happens. I've talked to a lot of people who try to learn this move. They think it all happens behind the hand. The only thing that happens behind the hand is the setup. What the move happens outside of the tilted plane, in the normal plane. So it goes out as you pull in. As you pull in, the middle finger pulls in. And if you tilt your wrist even further toward your arm, that kind of helps ease any pain that this tucking the middle finger in can cause. So if you're out here and you tuck your middle finger in, you see how my ring finger is kind of in an awkward position? If I really tilt my hand in, it doesn't need as much, like I get the space without having to pull so hard on the finger. So when you finish this move, it's going to end up in a decently awkward situation where you're in fakie mid grip and the set is moving this way. There's a lot of different ways to get out of it, so I'll show you a couple here. You can just go into a straight up rebound, back up into this grip, or you can pass the bead down and kind of do a little bit of a half bead roll, or you can go into the second drop whirl, which is from low grip. So a low grip drop whirl is going to be the same thing as a mid grip drop whirl, where you go up into your, from low grip, you go up into fakie mid grip, pass, or pull the set into the tilted plane into your half whirl, pinch pinky and middle finger together while tucking a ring finger, and when you pull back in, this is where the drop is going to happen. It goes from this grip to this grip. Extend the ring finger out to get into a fakie low grip, And then you could just weave your way out of that one. Or what's always fun is to do a pinky roll at the bottom. Okay, so once you're comfortable doing those 2 drop whirls, you can incorporate them into a combo. So here's a little sample combo. Going to start out in low grip, and you're going to get to mid grip in any which way you want. I like to do a ring roll to get that momentum coming this way. You're going to do your drop whirl, and then you're going to do the version where you kind of do that half bead roll down into this low grip again. And then from here you do another ring roll, and then you're going to go from the mid grip drop whirl into the low grip drop whirl. So without switching grips from fakie mid, you're going to go right into your low grip drop whirl just by weaving again, tucking in, doing the drop whirl, and then here you can do any sort of closer. For this example combo, we're going to close with the pinky rolls. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Like always, let me know in the comments if there's any other moves you'd like me to go over. Thanks for watching. Peace.